Hey guys, welcome to my unboxing channel, Unbox Other Things. My name is Rue. So I got a big package today to unbox. We got this from the Lazada 11/11 sale or something like that. I'm not quite sure what this really is, but I think I know what it is, but I'm not very sure. So we'll just unbox it and have a look inside. Woo! Feels so good. Aha! Remote instruction. There's a remote control. Oh, it's a diffuser. Anyone read Chinese? It's not in English. Don't read Chinese. Ah, there we go. It's an aroma diffuser user manual. Ooh. Some sort of cover. Got a power adapter. We've got a cup. Ooh, these are the essential oil. Okay, comes with a nice bottle here. This is Ocean. Rose, sandalwood, jasmine, lavender, and lemon. This I like lemon. Lemon's my favorite. Okay, this is the rest of it. Drain side. So I guess you put water here. We've got a light, high and low. Miss. I guess it's on and off switch. Air outlet. Well, there's no remote control. I thought there was a remote controller somewhere, but oh wait, there is. There is a remote controller. No, oh, this is pretty neat. So I'm gonna set it up, and now we'll start it up and see just how great this thing is. Okay, so I have the device set up. I've got the power switch connected, and yeah, this is the remote control. I'm not gonna really use this at the moment. Seems to have a slight defect right there. I'm not sure why is it like that. I've got a dim light here to show you guys how this thing looks like. So I'm gonna switch it on. Okay, we've got a few power switches right there. Okay, we've got the light function here. We could choose multiple lights. This is set the timer, and this one is to set the mist. So yeah, look at the light. Okay, I'm gonna switch off the lights so you guys can have a. Oh, look at that! It changes colors by itself. Whoa, ooh, looks pretty. I'm gonna start the mist. So the mist has a few settings. We could set it to low, and this is at low volume right now. Press it again. I guess that's the high. So you guys can see the mist coming out. Ooh, it feels really cooling. Oh, I like the red. The light function here, you could switch to multiple modes. You could just change it to one particular color. So I can switch between colors. That's a different green, shade of green actually, but I don't think you guys can really get that in the camera. So I believe this is back with the auto switching mode. It's funny though, the color I'm looking at now is purple, but on camera it looks blue. But yeah, there's a few different colors there you could see. Can't really see the difference between high and low, but oh, I think this is high. We've got this in Lazada. We've got two of these that cost about, I think it's $111. I think this is a pretty cool gadget at a very good price. Anyone who likes diffusers, I think this is a great buy. So yeah. So that's my unboxing video for a diffuser. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please give me a thumbs up, comment below, and I'll see you guys next time.